Hello everyone, and welcome back to Protect Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide folders in Windows 10 effortlessly. It will ensure your files remain private or accessible when needed. Let's get started. First thing you need to do, navigate to the folder you want to hide. For example, I will just select this folder. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, check the box that says Hidden under the General tab. Click Apply and then OK to hide the folders. Now you can see my folder is hidden. If you want to view this hidden folder, then go to View tab and then check this Hidden Items in the Show or Hide section. This will make hidden folders and files visible in File Explorer. Now I can open this folder. And if I want to unhide this folder, then I will just select the folder, then right-click again on it and select Properties. Under the General tab, uncheck the hidden box. Click Apply and then OK to unhide the folder. Now this folder is removed from Hidden Folder. That's how you can hide and unhide folders in Windows 10. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.